today's world, sustainability isn't just a choice, it's a necessity. As we face increasing environmental challenges, shopping malls have a unique opportunity to lead the way toward a greener future. Introducing the Automated Waste Sorting System AWSS, which is a breakthrough in waste management. What is AWSS? This cutting-edge technology combines AI, robotics, and IoT to revolutionize how we handle waste in high-traffic areas like shopping malls. AWSS ensures precise segregation of recyclable materials, organic waste, and general waste, eliminating the guesswork and minimizing human error. Simple, smart, and efficient. Just drop your waste in, and AWSS takes care of the rest seamlessly and sustainably. By reducing waste sent to landfills, AWSS helps us tackle one of the biggest environmental challenges of our time. For shoppers, this means cleaner malls, healthier spaces, and more enjoyable shopping experience. But for business, it's about operational efficiency and environmental leadership. With real-time data and insights, AWSS empowers malls to monitor and improve their waste management practice, setting new benchmarks in sustainability. But it's not just about technology. AWSS engages customers, encouraging them to take part in a shared vision for a cleaner planet. Did you know every small action counts? By using AWSS, you're not just disposing of waste, but you're making a difference. Be a part of the change. Let's experience the AWSS difference in our mall today.
So today we're going to ask random people questions about some recycle bin and what they throw matter or not inside. So without further ado, let's go. Excuse me sir. Can I have a few questions about recycle bins?
Yes, can.
Alright, so have you ever been to a mall?
Yes, probably like every weekend.
Every weekend, I see, okay. Do you see recycle bins when you go to the mall?
Yes, mostly all malls have recycle bins.
Alright, so when you see a recycle bin, of course you have throw trash inside the recycle bin, right?
Yes.
So do you follow the bin that is supposedly you throw your trash in, right? If you just drink mix to drink, that is a plastic cup, right?
I have plastic cups, and there is like plastic, and then it's like glass, right?
Plastic, paper, and glass.
Yes, plastic, paper, and glass.
Yeah.
So,
do you throw according to the bins or you don't care at all?
actually, to be honest, sometimes I just throw it. Like, I don't care the type of the bins. Like, if I have a cup of plastic, maybe I just throw at a glass, sometimes paper.
You just throw like that?
Yes.
You can do that. Did you know that if you put non-recycling items in the recycling bins, the whole truckload may be disposed and being sent directly to the landfill as waste? In 2022, the World Bank estimates that the global population produces more than 2 billion tons of solid waste per annum, and these may increase by 70% by the year 2050. A large portion of waste is being poorly managed or disposed of, leading to pollution, resource depletion, and greenhouse gas emissions. In the past, waste was sorted manually or with outdated equipment, but these methods are no longer effective as newer, more complex materials are now being produced. Let's start with the systems we're using. Right now, waste sorting is slow, labor-intensive, and outdated. Most facilities rely on manual sorting or simple machines that were designed decades ago. These systems struggle to handle the variety of waste we produce today, like complex packaging materials or electronics, and the result? Errors, delays, and a lot of missed opportunities to recycle. If we keep relying on these inefficient methods, we'll keep falling behind. Now, let's talk about the cost to the planet. When organic waste like food scraps end up in landfills, it produces methane gas. Methane is 28 times more harmful to the environment than carbon dioxide, and it's speeding up climate change. On top of that, recyclables like plastics and metals are often thrown away instead of reused. That means we are wasting valuable resources and consuming more raw materials, which takes even more energy to produce. This isn't just bad, it's a disaster for the environment. Did you know that poor waste management isn't just harming the environment, it's costing us billions. Sorting waste inefficiently leads to higher operating costs for facilities, expensive landfill, and lost revenues from materials that could have been recycled. Municipal budgets are feeling the strain, and the time wasted processing the trash only make things worse. This is a massive economic problem that needs urgent solutions. But here's something else to think about. Waste management doesn't just depend on systems, it also depends on us. The first step to efficient waste sorting happens at home when we separate our trash. But let's face it, most of us aren't consistent. Why? Because the process is confusing or the system are not easy to use. If we want real change, we need to make it simpler for everyone else to get involved. Otherwise, the problem will only continue. So, how do we fix this? The answer is simple. Innovation. Imagine advanced technologies that can automatically sort waste with high precision. Picture AI-powered systems that separate recyclables from non-recyclables in seconds. Combine that with public education campaigns to make waste sorting a habit for everyone. Together, these innovations can revolutionize how we handle waste. They can save time, protect the planet, and even reduce costs for cities and businesses. The time for action is now. We need to invest in smarter, faster, and more efficient waste management systems. We need to educate people and inspire them to care about where the trash goes. More importantly, we need to think of waste not as a problem, but as an opportunity, a chance to create a cleaner and greener world.
So hi guys, did you know that in this planet has around 8 billion tons of waste in this planet? So we have the better solution, is called the automatic waste sorting system that really can change our planet to become more okay. So the first process for the product is that before we use the bin, we actually need a waste or trash. So we need to put a waste or trash in the. So the second step that inside the bin happen is that the product have a AI sensor. AI sensors means that when the rubbish or the waste come through the in the bin, and then the AI sensor will scan the type of the bin. Like if the glass come through the bin, and the AI sensor will knows that that is a glass bin, and it will put it at the glass type of the bin. So the next step of our originality of product is that after the AI sensor is automatic separation. Automatic separation is the inside of the bin have like a robotic hand that can separate the bin from their originality of the types. Like it can take the waste, like this glass can throw at the glass, paper at the paper, and plastic at the plastic. So after that, the next originality is that sustainability and data. Sustainability and data ni is talk about when the bin can record the data of the how many waste or trash that have been thrown at the bin, and we record it like every day before 24 hours. So the last part of the originality is the bigger picture. So our bigger picture for this product is that after all the trash has been done, collected and become wrapped, the last process is that the machine will clean the trash and all the waste to become a raw material. So our additional purpose for this product also that we want to make some extra money, like the raw materials from our bins we can sell from the company or people that use their product eco-friendly recycle, like Adidas company that use the recycle waste. So maybe we can make our economy for Malaysia become higher and our company make more money of this product. So thank you.
Innovation and originality of AWSS. First point is problem with traditional methods. For decades, waste sorting has been slow, inefficient and full of errors. Traditional methods rely on human hands and outdated tools, but AWSS is smarter, faster and cleaner. Second point is how AWSS works. This sensor analyzes shape, size, color and even material composition. Because it uses machine learning, AWSS gets smarter when they sort waste. The third point is why AWSS is innovative. AWSS has even smart feedback, which is the sensor that track field levels, monitor efficiency and make waste management more intelligent. Last point is challenging the status quo. This is more than a machine, it's a revolution. AWSS challenged the old, inefficient way of waste management to and open up new possibility from urban recycling to large-scale industrial solutions.
So the first environmental impact is the waste diversion. So what is the waste diversion? So basically, waste diversion is a critical environment benefit of the AWSS by accurately sorting the recycled material such as plastic, glass, paper, metals. We prevent these materials from ending up in the landfills or the incinerators. The technological examples are the Recycle Eye, the AI-powered waste sorting system that achieves 95% accuracy in identifying recyclables. This precision reduction contamination allowing valuable material to re-enter the circular economy. This process not only conserves in resources but also decrease the resilience of the landfills, which is also the occupancy large areas and generate harmful emission.
Hi. Yes, I want to know the next.
Oh, you want to know the next environmental impact? Okay, so come with me. The next environmental impact is the Michigan of the methane emission. So what is the problem statement? The landfills that are significantly sources of methane contain greenhouse emitted with the organic waste decompose anaerobic. So the solution to the AWSS is by diverting the organic waste like food scrap and yard waste for decomposing the anaerobic digestion. The AWSS can dramatically reduce the methane emission. So this can help combat the climate change and support the sustainability waste management practices. For example, if you recycle 1 ton of plastic, this can save 16 barrels of oil and significantly can lower the CO2 emission. So the second societal impacts are on the health and hygiene improvement. By reducing the risk, proper waste sorting reduces the contamination risk by ensuring that organic, plastic and hazardous waste are separated. This prevents unsanitary conditions that attract pests and spread disease. By improving the worker safety, waste management workers benefit sorted waste by ensuring the fewer hazardous materials and enjoying the safer working conditions. One example are the manipulated with advanced sorting system that report a cleaner streets, fewer health issues and related to waste mismanagement, improving overall community of the well-being.
the waste. AI learns to recognize waste types instantly and improves every day. These robots do the heavy lifting, making sorting faster and more precise. Sensors identify materials to ensure zero mistakes. With IoT, we can track and optimize everything from anywhere. AWSS can reduce sorting time by 30% and boost recycling by 40%. Now that's a game changer for industries and cities alike and improves every day. Now imagine this system in your city. Cleaner streets, less waste, and a greener future. Who would want that?
Now, let's talk money. Yes, AWSS requires a high upfront investment between $500,000 and $5 million, but it pays off. Funding sources from governments are offering subsidies and private investors see the long-term benefits. Operational savings, lower labor costs and faster operations make this a win-win for industries and cities. From pilot tests to full-scale deployment, AWSS takes time, but it's worth it. Pilot phase, small-scale testing takes 6 to 12 months to fine-tune the system. And then the full deployment after successful tests, it's ready for large facilities, 1 to 2 year stops. Continuous optimization. The best part? AWSS learns and improves over time. AWSS isn't just for one place, it's built to grow. Adaptability. It works everywhere. Urban cities with plastic waste, rural areas with organic waste. Modular design. Need more sorting power? Just add robots and conveyors. Integration. And guess what? It fits into existing waste management system without a complete overhaul. AWSS is ready to shine in various industries. From shopping malls to office buildings, it simplifies waste management. Cities and industries can benefit from tailored AWSS systems. And in the future, AWSS will be a core part of smart cities, driving sustainability and efficiency. Here's why AWSS is a smart investment. Cost reduction. Automation slashes labor costs and boosts efficiency. Better recycling rates. High-quality sorting means less contamination and easier recycling. Energy efficiency. With smarter tech, energy use keeps dropping, great for the environment and the budget. And the governments are also stepping in to help. From subsidies to tax breaks, AWSS is getting the green light everywhere. New laws push businesses to adopt cleaner waste management technologies. AWSS will only get better. As tech improves, AWSS will tackle more complex waste streams. IoT and live data will make waste management smarter and more efficient. AWSS supports a world where waste becomes a resource, driving global sustainability goals.
And with that,
WS!
S!
Let's build a better future together.
Woo!